Hey, Todd here at the floor of SOLIDWORKS World 2018. I'm with Hunter and Elizabeth at the xometry booth. So let's see, Elizabeth, tell us a little bit about xometry, what you guys do.
Sure. So we're xometry. We do manufacturing on demand.
Okay.
So that means we make custom parts.
All right.
We actually offer 3D printing, CNC machining, urethane casting, sheet metal, and this year we're now offering injection molding.
Oh, nice.
So the way we're able to do that is through our quoting platform. So xometry.com, you upload your CAD file, get an instant price, lead time, and manufacturability feedback. And what we've done is we've taken our quoting platform and our website and we turn it into an add-in for inside of SOLIDWORKS. So actually right over here, you can see a demo rolling of the actual part within SOLIDWORKS being quoted, and you can simply adjust in our add-in based on material, process, quantity, and see an actual quote that we honor, and you can actually click within SOLIDWORKS to check out and get your parts made.
Nice, nice, nice,
Yes.
nice. Anything new this year that you're highlighting at the booth or news about xometry?
Yeah, definitely. So we actually have a partner network of manufacturers all across the U.S., which is how we're able to have really competitive prices and lead times. We are over 800 partners now, and we're excited to announce that one of our partners has made over $1 million in revenue. So that's really good, and win-win for all. And then we are also offering injection molding, which is new this year, and I'll let Hunter explain what's new in the add-in.
Oh, in the add-in. Okay, so there's new stuff for the add-in this year.
Absolutely.
All right,
So
cool.
the add-in can now detect model-based definitions. So holes in your thread wizard, insert holes, tapped holes. It can also detect tolerances and surface roughness and part material. So when you upload a part with all of those requirements, our add-in can read from the SOLIDWORKS model tree and automatically populate the quote. So you can get a very custom part quoted without changing any settings. It's automatically there. Our website offers that same service, but the add-in can automatically detect that, so you save yourself a bunch of clicks.
Nice, nice. And so tolerances that are built in with MBD inside of SOLIDWORKS, you'll quote it and produce it accordingly to those specs. Is that,
Right.
is that what I'm hearing?
Exactly.
Awesome.
So using the DIM Expert, there's a couple of ways you can assign tolerances using DIM Expert, and we'll pull it. So say you have a plus or minus 1 thou tolerance on a hole, we'll find that and we'll add it to your quote and we'll make it to that tolerance.
Okay. And that'll affect the cost up or down, right? According to what you need.
That will.
All right, nice.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Thanks. Have a great
you.
show.